This is how to connect your Bybit MT5 account on the MT5 trading terminal if you have already created it. Now, if you haven't created it, I have a video tutorial on how to create your own Bybit account. The link to that video will be in the description. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I create content about the financial market to help you navigate the financial market successfully. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. The first thing you need to do for you to connect your MT5 account to MT5 trading platform is just to click on more. Once you click on more, you head over to MT5 and Gold FX, tap on it. If you tap on it, it takes you to this page, and all you need to do here is just to copy your trading details to your MT5 trading terminal so you can start trading the forex market, the cryptocurrency market, the stock market, and the futures market. I also have a video on how you can actually do transfer from your funding wallet to your MT5 account. It's so simple. Now, for you to connect your trading account to MT5 trading terminal, just click on trade. Now, once you click on trade, now this is where you copy your server name, your account ID, and put in the password that you created by yourself while you are creating the account. If you haven't created your account, the video that will teach you how to do that would be in the description below. So let me copy the server. You can see I just copied the server link. Let me go to MT5 trading terminal. Here is my MT5. The first thing I need to do is to click on the quote. You can see the menu bar that is beside quotes. You just tap on it. Once you tap on it, you click on manage account. Once you click on manage account, you click on the plus icon on top. You can actually see the plus icon on top right there. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, this is where you find your broker. In this case, we are looking for Bybit because Bybit is our broker. This is where you paste in the server that you copied. You can type it manually, but the best thing to do is just to paste it. I just click on it. I have pasted it. Now, this is the server we're looking for. You just have to tap on it. Once you tap on it, this is where you now put in your login ID and your password, which you set while you are creating the account. So let's go back to Bybit and copy our login ID. We're back to Bybit. So this is our login ID, which is account ID. We'll click on it. Let's go back to MT5. We're at MT5 right now. We'll have to paste it. Let's paste it. Now this is where we'll now put our password. So let me type in my password. As you can see, I have successfully typed in my password. I just need to click on login. You can see I've connected my account. You can see right there, I've connected my Bybit account on the MT5. I can click on trade, I can click on chart, I can click on history, and so many other things there. If you want to learn how to use Bybit MT5 trading app, you have to watch my video because I have a full video tutorial on how to use this platform. You can check the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video and see you in another video.